and remarkably wet, particularly in Cornwall, Dyfed, Gwynedd, latterly Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, and that's why. It's a simplified version of this massive cloud, but basically it's a band of rain with pulses running from the south to the north. And pressure is low, and it'll stay that way throughout Friday as well. You may notice some tighter isobars out in the North Sea. Yes, it's going to continue to be breezy up here, but also, more especially maybe through Northern Ireland and Western Scotland tonight and through tomorrow, but with rather little wind across England and the central part of Scotland. Now, since the 6 o'clock news, the rain has been moving steadily north. These brighter areas showing the heavier rain across Wales, across the Irish Sea into Northern Ireland, and now into Western Scotland. And further south, bands of lighter rain have been moving slowly northward, but also with a touch of east in them. It's been raining in London, for example. It's raining over much of Scotland, as you can see on there. I think overnight the band will be much the same. Most of England, Wales, Northern Ireland, Scotland will see some rain, the odd heavy burst coming along. More especially, I think, for commuting in the morning, a lot of water's going to be on the road. There'll be hill fog. It'll be rather nasty conditions. But look at the temperatures, and you expect to see these during the day, and this is night time. It's a mild night. Now, during Friday, that band of rain will still be there across central England, probably just going to the eastern side of Scotland as well, with the onshore breeze up here, keeping the HAR going, less of a breeze from the south. Typically 12 or 13 in that rain band, maybe a bit higher further south. That could well be that East Anglia and the southeast of England, though still cloudy, remain largely dry until very much later in the day, but not quite as warm as it has been today. And by contrast, in the west, in Wales, southwest England, Northern Ireland, and a good deal of central and western Scotland, it'll be bright with even some sunshine. Windy, but with just 1 or 2 showers, and not bad temperatures either, about 14, about 57. Now, pressure's still low on Saturday, very slack gradient, but the front is still there, so chances are a wet day in eastern England and maybe possibly eastern Scotland, but brighter further west, not so good for bonfire night, I'm afraid.